These fresh grasses, herbs, hay and corn come direct from South Tyrol's alpine pastures and mountain meadows. They provide sustenance for the cows of Mila and Senny's 3,500 mountain dairies. Mila's cows are raised in an animal-friendly way and are fed completely natural, 100% GMO-free fodder. This is immediately evident in the taste and quality of the milk. Every day, farmers collect the fresh raw milk and deliver it directly to the plants in Bolzano and Brunico. As soon as the plant receives the raw milk, technicians take a sample from each of the dairy trucks. Lab technicians perform a rapid test that detects any traces of inhibitors such as antibiotics, as well as detergents and disinfectants. If the milk is proven to be free of these sorts of residuals, the laboratory clears it for distribution. The dairy truck is then connected to a cooling tank and the milk is pumped through. The control centre oversees the pasteurisation, homogenization and centrifuging of the milk. During the process of centrifugation, the fat is separated out of the skimmed milk and the desired fat content is set. The homogenization process renders the milk easier to digest. During pasteurization, technicians heat the milk to a temperature of between 72 and 75 degrees Celsius for a very short period of time. This process kills any existing pathogenic microorganisms. However, it doesn't reduce the nutritional content or affect the taste of the milk. In order to ensure that the milk is still extremely fresh when it reaches the consumer, the raw milk is processed immediately into fresh milk upon receipt and packaged without delay. After pasteurization and bottling in a virtually sterile environment, it will have a shelf life of at least 7 days if kept at a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. Immediate processing with strictly controlled hygienic conditions guarantees the full flavour and satisfaction of fresh milk direct from South Tyrol's alpine dairies. In addition to fresh milk packaged in cartons, Mila also offers the environmentally friendly options of glass bottles or 100% recyclable PET bottles, available in a 1 litre size. In the laboratory, technicians perform stringent testing on the raw milk. A number of analyses and checks ensure that quality and hygiene standards are consistently maintained. Microbiological analysis, for example, can reveal if the milk contains any germs, and if so, how many. Taste testing is also of great importance. Mila employees sample and rate the final products in terms of taste, texture, colour and smell. Meticulous testing throughout every phase of production guarantees safe food to the consumer and allows Mila's products to be enjoyed without a moment of hesitation. Mila makes its entire line of yogurt products at its Bolzano plant, including state-of-the-art equipment and the latest bottling machines. Mila makes a wide selection of yogurt types here, both whole milk and low fat, available in a multitude of flavours. Mila also produces its popular yogurt duo snack packs here, combining fresh yogurt with tasty goodies like chocolate crispies or muesli. In addition to regular yogurt, the Bolzano plant also produces specialty yogurts, which are made through the targeted use of specific yogurt cultures, pre-treating the milk, and the choice of specific ripening conditions. An example of these specialty yogurt products is Mila's yogurt drink in a handy resealable bottle. Another example is Mila's probiotic yogurt drink from its Benessere Rinforzo line, available in an individual portion size. Mila always guarantees steadfast adherence to quality and hygiene standards throughout every phase of production and delivery. In the factory in Brunico, lactic acid bacteria and rennet are added to the fresh milk. The mixture congeals. When the curd has reached a state of readiness called a clean break, it is sliced and cut up. The curds are then pressed into moulds. Excess whey drains off through this process of cutting and pressing. Next, the curds are formed into loaves. The loaves are soaked in brine for a period of between 1 hour and several days, depending on the type of cheese. The cheese is then left to age in ripening rooms at various temperatures for a period of 1 to several months. Although Mila cheeses are typically ripened with Brevibacteria linens, some are ripened with mould instead. In the ripening rooms, the cheese reaches full flavour and the desired consistency. The various types of specialty cheeses are packaged. They're now ready to be delivered to the consumer. Cheese loaves are usually sold whole. Mila fresh cheese is also made at the factory in Brunico. About 3 litres of milk are needed in order to make 1 kilogram of fresh cheese. Because this spreadable cheese doesn't need to be aged, it's immediately packaged and sent to market. Mascarpone is made in the Brunico plant with a combination of 70% South Tyrolean cream and 30% South Tyrolean milk and cream that has been evaporated. This rich, creamy specialty cheese is made by carefully adding natural lactic acid to the mixture. Unlike other types of fresh cheeses, mascarpone contains no salt. Meticulous preparation, without the use of any preservatives whatsoever, guarantees a pure, premium dairy product. Mila mascarpone is available in resealable cups in a variety of sizes. Cream is made by skimming milk in a centrifuge. The cream produced through this process has a fat content of at least 35%. Cream has refrigerated shelf life of up to 17 days. It can be used in a myriad of ways. South Tyrolean fresh cream from Mila and Senni is available in a variety of sizes. Butter is made by agitating pasteurized, ripened cream in a butter churn until the milk fat coagulates into butter grains and separates from the buttermilk. The butter is then kneaded and packed into aluminium foil that is impermeable to light. This preserves the quality of the butter. Just 1 kilogram of butter contains the best cream derived from 20 and 25 litres of milk, direct from South Tyrol's mountain dairies. In addition to its classic dairy products made from fresh cow's milk, Mila makes a small assortment of fine specialities made from goat's milk. The goat's milk is derived from just 16 of Mila's 3,500 member dairies. The aromatic, easily digestible fresh goat's milk has a fat content of about 3.2% and is available in containers of 500 millilitres. Mila whole goat milk is available in a 200-gram container in 3 different flavours. The young, firm Syrer goat cheese has a delicate yet tangy aroma and is available at the deli counter.